Howdy y'all, we're the Covies, but y'all can call us the Uncharted Texans.
Hey y'all, we're the Covies with the Uncharted Texan channel. We thought we would take on a huge project and show you our house that we're living in full time. It's a 42-foot Jayco northpoint.
Actually, it's 43 feet, but you know.
I always shave off the
extra
extra foot. And we upgraded from our 32-foot...
33-foot.
Jayco, or no, it was a Forest
River
XLR.
XLR.
So anyways, come along with us and check out our house. And don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you guys.
We wanted to show you how easy these stairs are to put in. And how easy they are to take out. This little quick connect water hose is just as easy to use as it is to store. Kids love it.
Watch out the bike. It's on here. Okay. Toddler likes to wash her bike. Okay.
Okay, Carly. This little outside refrigerator is great for extra storage and also for having refreshments outside. And we have really enjoyed this grill. This little black thing that my wife's pointing at and tapping on is where you change out the vacuum bag for inside the trailer, and also you can hook up the vacuum hose to clean out the cellar where all this stuff is stored, which is very handy to have that extra storage. This little outside TV is amazing for outside cookouts watching a movie. 40 pounds of propane on this side of the trailer. My wife's pointing to a sturdy barrel lock fifth wheel hitch. Very nice for when you're leaving your trailer somewhere. A couple of large batteries here that when fully charged run our 12 volt on our trailer for 12 hours. We were on a 3-month waiting list for our Cummins own-end propane generator, and then finally, we got it. $80 pounds of propane on this side. Regulator that lets you change which tank you want to use, either the driver's side or these two on the passenger side. Then you got this little panel where you can dump your black tank, dump your gray tank. It's where your fresh water comes in. It's how you control all your tanks. Gray, black, fresh. And then the panel up top that I'm pointing at right now, that's your automatic jacks outside. This right here is a water purifier I installed, and also a water pressure gauge. This panel here has an on-demand hot water heater that we put in. This is where all our tanks dump out of, and that behind it is the grinder. Behind this door is the hose to the grinder. Last but not least, our 50 amp plug.
I'll lock that back in a minute.
And then we've got our water hose connection.
Which we always use a heated water hose because this time of year in Texas,
Yes, it does get cold here in Texas.
it might be 80 degrees during the day and freezing at night, so we're just prepared. And as you can see, our dogs are getting a bath with the water hose. Carly is having a very fun time right now, so hopefully we have some clean beach towels and we take care of this later. We've been parked at Lake Nasworthy in San Angelo, Texas, getting ready for this epic journey. Some 60-day aged steaks, green beans, garlic. This thing's awesome. Thank y'all for watching Chapter 2 of our story. Please like and subscribe. Tune in next week for our next chapter. And remember, check us out on Instagram at Uncharted Texans. If y'all have any questions or comments about our RV or video, please comment below. Y'all come back now, you hear?